Hello all. So what we're going to do in this video is give you a tour of the Legal English platform. There are three main sections of the Legal English platform. We have Community, which is our forum, Classroom, which is the self-study courses, and Calendar, where you can see the schedule for both the live webinars and the live classes in small groups. Now, let's go first through the Community tab. And this first tab, Community Chat, is where you can introduce yourself to the legal English community. In this tab, New Content and Webinars, you will see the new content that we're posting on a regular basis, as well as a schedule of our upcoming live webinars. So here's an example of this week's live webinars we have, so the students know what they'll be learning in the coming week. Here in Idea Box, it's probably my favorite part of the Community tab. This is where the students propose the topics that they want to see in our self-study course, in our webinars, and our live classes. So this is very important. And the Legal Toolkit. So the Legal Toolkit's really special because this is where we share professional tools and resources to help each other grow our legal practices. So you'll find materials we've created for our own firm, and we allow the students to use this, of course, changing logo, email, and telephone number. For example, we have a flyer about the shareholder registration or official email requirement for companies in Costa Rica. Moving on to the next one, it's the referral network. And I really like this one because this is just a space for lawyers and legal professionals in our community to collaborate and support each other's businesses and, of course, exchange referrals. And the last one is the Ask Ted tab. And here's where you can ask me anything about legal English, be it grammar, vocabulary, legal writing, career questions. And yeah, I answer to all questions. So this is a fun little tab here. Moving on to Classroom. In Classroom, you will see our self-study courses, which we have divided into beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And each one is divided into 8 modules. And each module has 4 lessons. Now, it is important to know that the first class of each module is available right away as soon as you get inside the platform. However, we have the second class, third class, and fourth classes. Those will be dripped as time goes on. So for example, after 2 weeks of joining the legal English community, the lesson 2 will be available. Then lesson 3 will be available in 4 weeks, and lesson 4 will be available in 6 weeks. And that goes for all modules and all 3 levels. And like I said, we have beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And we have a variety of topics. For example, module 1, we have a class about preparing for networking events. In our international law module 2, we talk about refugee law, international law, humanitarian law. In module 3, we talk about court procedures, for example, preparing clients for oral hearings. In module 4, we talk about our legal practice areas like corporate law fundamentals, real estate transactions. Module 5, we touch on labor law. Module 6, you'll see we talk about legal systems. Module 7, talking about legal documents. And in Module 8, we talk about legal role plays and simulation, like a client intake interview. So it's a very in-depth self-study course, as well as we have a self-study course for TOLES, the Test of Legal English Skills. And TOLES is an internationally recognized institute that gives certifications in legal English, and we provide a course that prepares you for it. And the most important part for me of the whole platform is where you can enter the webinars and the live classes. For example, you can see tomorrow we have a special topic webinar, and here we are going to be learning how to explain a rental agreement in clear professional English. And this is great because you'll see that our live classes are on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, beginner live class is at 6 p.m. Then at 7 p.m., we have a webinar, which can be either beginner or intermediate. We have beginner webinars on Monday and Wednesday. We have intermediate and advanced webinars on Tuesday and Thursday. And on Saturday, we, of course, do our special topic webinar. In the live class schedule, you'll see we have beginner live classes at 6 p.m., intermediate at 8 p.m., and advanced at 9 p.m. And these run from Monday to Thursday. And this is if you buy the 10 class package at $50. And so, yeah, also another cool part is we have a map showing our students across the world, from Mexico to Argentina to Saudi Arabia, and of course, here in Costa Rica. And we would love to have you join our community, and please reach out if you have any questions.